Hi, this is Bruno from Bella Vista. Today we're going to take a look at a new arrival. This is a 2018 Holiday Rambler Navigator XE 36U floor plan. The Navigator XE is a diesel coach, full air ride suspension with air brakes. And the 36U is a double slide unit, approximately 37 feet in length. Now this unit has some great features. One of the newest features available on this line is the Mobileye Advanced Collision Warning System. So let's take a little closer look, and there'll be a little more detailed in-depth video. Right here you'll notice our forward mounted camera that is watching forward as you're driving, and that's part of the Mobileye system. We have our generator up front. Just an absolutely exquisite full body paint and nice large awning, thermal pane windows on board, beautiful exterior entertainment center, and nice large pass-through compartments. There is our mud guard, or stone guard as many like to refer to it, and our rear ladder. And then in this compartment we have additional pass-through as well as our vacuum pump system for our toilets. Now let's take a walk inside and look at some of the beautiful amenities that are on this coach. This coach does come with the technology package, which is why you're actually getting the Mobileye. One of those features is our patio light up front with built-in Bluetooth speaker. And as we walk inside, you're going to notice a beautifully finished coach. So we have a great dinette here with Corian table, large residential electric fridge, and just look at the space to put all your groceries in there for a nice long trip. We have a beautiful galley with full Corian countertops, lots of drawers and storage, tiled backsplash, residential convection microwave, and storage above. And in the Navigator XE, when you open all your cupboards, you'll notice they're lined from the factory, and all shelves are fully adjustable so you can set them for the gear that you want to carry. We also have some great pantry space here with adjustable shelves as well as pull-out shelves. Our mid-mounted TV and fireplace, and of course my favorite is actually our theater seating. Nice and comfortable, and yes, they are actually recliners. Little push of a button, and we've got a really nice footrest so that you can sit back and relax. Now, our 36U is a bath and a half layout, and I apologize, I should have had those lights on. This is our mid-bath, or our guest bath. Beautiful stainless steel sink, Corian counters, lots of storage in the medicine cabinet with additional storage to the back of the washroom. Let's take a look at the bedroom. Really nicely appointed bedroom here. We do have a power tilt bed so you can sit up and watch TV, read a book, and if you do happen to snore a little bit, you can leave the bed inclined and actually sleep on it inclined. Next to the bed, we have power outlets on both sides, and over here we have nice large storage wardrobe closets with shelving above, and that's actually on both sides of our window. Nice large window to let natural light in. We have a beautiful cubby here to store passports, jewelry, any little knickknacks that you need. Of course, we have our flat screen TV, and there is storage behind the TV. And of course, no diesel should be without a two-piece washer and dryer. And that way, for the long trips, you don't have to worry about stopping at laundromats. It's all on board. And then on either side of our washer and dryer, we have lots of drawers again. Now, our main bath is here in the back. So you'll notice very deep, wide countertop, tiled backsplash again, lots of storage with our medicine cabinet, big deep storage overall, And we also have additional linen closet here. Number of shelves, very deep. Vacuum flush toilet, so it's electric flush. Simply push one button for a little bit of water, two buttons for a lot of water. Now our shower in the back is a nice large shower. Full fiberglass surround with the skylight above. And we also have a seat in the back of the shower, so that way you know, if you have any mobility problems, knee problems, or just for the ladies to use. Great little feature overall. The flooring is a composite tile flooring, very durable. No linoleum to be found on this unit. And you'll just notice it's just a beautiful layout, really has that rich wood look. Up front, the Navigator XE has our drop-down queen bed supporting 650 pounds, so you can actually put two adults, and that bed will drop down all the way to the point where you actually have to recline your driver's and your passenger seats. We have a great command center up front. Everything's focused around the driver, so if you're driving, your co-pilot's not there, you don't have to worry that you're not going to be able to reach over and not reach controls. This is built on a Freightliner chassis. This coach has a 340 horse Cummins engine, which is going to give you great fuel economy, lots of torque for driving down the road. So if you're in the market for whether it be a family coach or a couples coach, something that can do double duty, a Navigator XE 36U by Holiday Rambler is definitely a great option to look at. All the advantages of diesel, air ride, and air brake at a very reasonable price point with lots of luxury and high quality build. So this is Bruno from Bella Vista saying thank you for viewing the video. If you like the video, please click the like button. If you'd like to subscribe to our channel, please feel free to subscribe and you'll be notified of new videos as they become available. This is Bruno saying thank you, and I wish you a happy and safe camping season.